to show you where in Mission Control you can access and download your property video tours. There's no cost to these, so you don't need to run ads to these. These are really designed for you to download and to use to post to your social media, to send out to clients, all those good things. So log on to your Mission Control. You're going to come down to where your listing rockets are. Make sure listing rockets are selected, then roll over to the right where it says create listing rocket, and you're going to do dynamic video ads debug. In here, you're going to input the MLS number for the property that you want to create the video tour for. And it needs to be a property that's listed in your MLS, otherwise it won't pull. So here's the property, make sure it's the correct one, verify all the data points are correct. If they're not, you can update them here. And then simply, because this is an active listing, under templates, you can see down here, there's branded and there's unbranded, okay? So if you do not want to have your branding on there, obviously do the unbranded one. If you do want to show your branding, show it by picking the branded template. You can also look at the samples. Once you're happy with that, I would go ahead and just use Ylopo recommendations, put in the agent's information, double check all this stuff, because once it's launched, you can't change it afterwards, okay? So it does cost us money every time we create one of these, so please try and just be careful when you do them. And then launch it, and it should download into your own downloads folder. But you should see it in the bottom of your browser, show up down there. Open it and then save it and add it to Facebook, add it to YouTube, anywhere that you want.